Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix due to repeated failed attempts error on Snapchat. So let's jump right in. In certain situations, you might encounter a problem where Snapchat informs you that your account will be temporarily locked due to multiple unsuccessful login attempts. This can occur for various reasons. There are a couple of scenarios that can lead to this situation. First, if you accidentally attempt to log into your account multiple times, it may result into your account being temporarily blocked. Second, if your account gets randomly blocked after a single login or if you get logged out and then log back in, it could indicate a glitch or technical issue with Snapchat. In such cases, there's no need to panic or worry too much about the message. If you receive the message after attempting to log in multiple times, there's another method to temporarily or permanently unlock your account. However, before proceeding, it is recommended to check if there is an update available for the Snapchat app. To do this, go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. And check if an update is available. Many people find the updating Snapchat resolves the issue, as it can often fix glitches within the app. However, if updating doesn't solve the problem, the next step would be to visit a website like downdetector.com. These websites provide information on whatever particular services or platforms such as Snapchat is experiencing any outages or issues. Checking such websites can help you determine if the problem is widespread or specific to your account. If you visit websites like downdetector.com, you can scroll through the reports to see if Snapchat is experiencing a significant increase in issues. Look for the large spikes in the reports indicating a possible widespread problem, and for example, if you notice a spike like this, it suggests that Snapchat is currently down. In such cases, all you can do is wait until Snapchat resolves the issue and brings the service back online. If you wish to unlock your Snapchat account, you can visit the website's account, snapchat.com. And once there, log into your account, and you should find a button or option to unlock your account. And click on it, and follow the instructions. You may need to log in again during the unlocking process. There are some of the methods you can try to unlock your account. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment in the comment section down below.